Hello dear friends and welcome to the video series Master YouTube Skills on your YouTube channel. The videos are listed in a playlist and its link is mentioned below. Sometimes you want to hide the number of dislikes on your videos, but you will hide also the number of likes because it's one process. I'll show you how to do this with a video during uploading it or with a video after uploading it. Also, I'll show you how to do this with all your future videos generally on your channel. This is an example for a video that hides likes and dislikes, and if I want to click like this, it will not show a number. The number will be visible only to the owner of the video. Now let's go to the practical steps. First, how to hide likes and dislikes during uploading a video. Now I am uploading this video. Scroll down and click show more. Scroll down under comments and ratings and check show how many viewers like and dislike this video, and check this means don't show how many viewers like and dislike this video. If I want to do this with a video I previously uploaded, go to the content and then choose a specific video, for example this video. Click with the same steps. Scroll down, click show more. Scroll down and uncheck show how many viewers like and dislike this video. This is a video before hiding the likes and dislikes number. You will see the number of likes and the number of dislikes. And this is the same video after hiding likes and dislikes. Now you can't see the number of likes and dislikes on the video. What we have just explained is to hide this in certain videos, but how to make general settings to hide the ratings of all videos on the channel that are published later. You have to be logged into your channel account and click the channel photo, then click settings, then channel status and features. From the left side, click upload defaults, then advanced settings. Scroll down. See here, users can view ratings for this video and check it and click save. From now on, all ratings for future videos, likes and dislikes will not be visible to viewers, they only be visible to you. Now we have reached to the end of the video where we discussed how to hide ratings, likes and dislikes for certain videos and how to hide them for all future videos published in the channel. I am waiting for your likes and evaluation if you are satisfied with the video. Thank you and see you later.